In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photo in Fotor. Open your browser and head to Fotor.com. Start by clicking Login, then select your account to get into the workspace. Once you're on the homepage, look for the AI Photo section and choose See All. From there, pick Edit a Photo to launch the editor. On the Start screen, click Upload Image, or simply drag a photo from your computer into the window. When your image opens, go to the Adjust panel. Begin with Crop. Choose a freeform crop or a preset aspect ratio, then reposition the frame to tighten your composition. If a horizon is slanted, use Rotate and Flip to straighten it, rotate 90 degrees, or mirror the image when needed. Next, use Resize to set exact dimensions. Locking the aspect ratio keeps shapes from stretching. In Basic Adjust, refine exposure, brightness, and contrast. Nudge the sliders slowly, lifting shadows to recover detail and lowering highlights to tame bright spots. If the image feels flat, a touch of contrast can help. Fine-tune is great for clarity and detail. Add a little sharpness to edges and reduce noise in grainy areas, especially in low-light photos. In color, correct temperature and tint so whites look neutral, then add a modest amount of saturation for vibrancy while keeping skin tones natural. Vignette can subtly darken the edges and guide attention toward the subject. Adjust the amount and feathering for a soft transition. Film grain adds texture and a classic feel. Keep it subtle so it enhances rather than distracts. Use the Mosaic Highlight tool to pixelate sensitive areas or to obscure backgrounds you don't want seen. Blur is another way to control focus. Soften busy areas to make your subject pop, but watch edges so they stay believable. Finally, open curves for precise tone control. Add a gentle S-curve to deepen midtones and boost contrast, or place anchor points to lift shadows or recover highlights. If a change goes too far, reset that control and try smaller moves. As you work, pause to compare before and after and adjust with intention. That's the essentials of editing a photo in Fotor: clean, controlled, and creative.